In our Wellness Network segment today, we're talking about the ways that you can own your smile. It's a campaign from the Wisconsin Dental Association, an effort to stress the importance of oral health literacy.
Dr. Chris Hansen, general dentist in the Green Bay area and member of the WDA, joins us with more. Good morning, Dr. Hansen.
Good morning.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about the overall importance to your overall health of having good dental health. It really is all connected, isn't it?
It definitely is. I mean, you have to really look at your dental health being really connected with your oral health and also your general health, in that there have done a lot of studies where we're seeing that there is a strong connection between inflammation in your mouth, gum disease, and probably heart disease, and also people who are diabetic have a very hard time controlling their blood sugars if they have the presence of an active gum disease or an active dental disease.
Now, when it comes to dental health, how important is preventative care? Many times we have an issue, you think, oh, I have to go to the dentist, I have to get this fixed. But it doesn't need to come to that, right?
We really try not to. I think dentistry has been very proactive in terms of being preventative with trying to get people to understand that it's very important that you have a regular routine where you're seeing a dentist on a regular basis so that he can catch these problems when they're early, and we can treat disease, if there is disease, at an early level, so that we don't have to wait till it gets very, very extensive and expensive, and we can try to control the problems with just routine care.
You said something that was kind of interesting in one of the commercial breaks, that dental problems don't go away.
They just don't go away, unfortunately. And I've had people who talk to me, and if dental decay, gum disease will progress. It will progress at various levels with various people, and depending on your risk factors. So it's very important that if we find disease, we treat disease early, get it taken care of so that it doesn't progress to a level where it's going to be much more difficult to manage.
And you even have some great infographics. I love infographics. I'm a fan of them on WDA.org. And here's the first one, and just an example of why it's important not only for your overall health, but for your pocketbook to take steps to prevent these things from happening. Yeah. $26 per month for a year of preventive maintenance, and then it just grows from there.
If you don't. I agree. I totally agree that routine dental care, at the very least, can be the best way to control the cost of dental treatment needed. And if you look at $26 a month, comparing that with some of the things we spend money on, I think that it's a very good investment in your health. So I think that when we have the problems with dental health, we can control that with routine care. And I really feel that routine care, 2 cleanings a year, getting x-rays taken for checkups, and doing an exam is a very cost-effective way of controlling some of the disease problems. We spend upwards of $60 or more on just cell phone bills. And one thing I was surprised at is the amount we spend on pet care. So and I know I spend that much on my pets.
Yes.
But I know it's an investment in yourself. It's an investment in your health, and you don't have to have insurance in order to be taken care of. So I'd just like people to understand that routine care can be very helpful to maintain their health.
And oral health is so important because you don't realize how important your teeth, your mouth is until you have a problem. And then all of a sudden, It's the only thing you can think about.
That's for sure. Yes, that is for sure.
All right, Dr. Hansen, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
And I love also, as part of this campaign, on your website, WDA.org, it talks about that preventive care, but also good oral health measures you can take at home, such as brushing and flossing and a lot of other tips.
A lot of good instruction on the website. And also, we're looking to try to get people to see the dentist as the long-term relationship and find their dental home and find a dentist. Go for a referral from your friend or from your doctor, but also look on WDA.org where you can get a referral for a WDA dentist.
All right. Thank you so much for being here, Dr. Chris Hansen.
Thank you.